Located in Costa Rica's Alajuela province, approximately 1 hour from the capital city San Jose, the Paz Waterfall Gardens is a private ecological park dedicated to the preservation of native wildlife and the conservation of tropical ecosystems. The name La Paz translates to the peace in Spanish, yet the force of the waterfalls here tells a story of dynamic natural energy. The park is home to 5 waterfalls along the La Paz River. They are known as Templo, Magia Blanca, Encantada, Escondida, and La Paz. Magia Blanca, or White Magic, is the largest of the group and features an observation deck allowing visitors to walk behind the falling water. La Paz Waterfall Gardens covers approximately 70 acres, encompassing both cloud forest and tropical rainforest environments. The transition between these two ecosystems occurs within a short walking distance, a phenomenon rarely observed within a single park. Beyond the waterfalls, the park functions as a wildlife sanctuary. It hosts over 100 animal species, many of which are rescues or cannot survive independently in the wild. Species include toucans, scarlet macaws, sloths, jaguars, and Costa Rica's iconic red-eyed tree frogs. The park features one of the largest butterfly observatories in the world, emphasizing native Costa Rican species and their life cycles. In 2009, the region suffered significant damage from a major earthquake. Restoration efforts ensured the survival and continued operation of the park, reinforcing its commitment to environmental stewardship. Today, La Paz Waterfall Gardens stands as one of Costa Rica's premier examples of private ecological conservation. It offers not just the visual splendor of its waterfalls, but a vital refuge for species in need and a living laboratory for biodiversity.